Hello! I'm excited to introduce you to this Fusion 360 Mastering the Basics course. My name is Jamie and I'm going to be showing you the basics to starting design in Fusion 360, and by the end of this course you will have learnt all about the solid environment and how to render your designs. In this course I'll be teaching you how to design from scratch using a load of different techniques and learning many skills along the way. Here are just some of the many skills that you'll be learning from this course. I'll be walking you through all of the core and key features of designing solid bodies in Fusion 360, as well as how to create compelling renders of your designs. No matter who you are, whether you're an experienced 3D printing hobbyist, or you may just have an interest in 3D design, or want to start creating your own designs from scratch for laser cutting, milling, or simply just rendering, this course is a great resource for getting you up on your feet and creating impressive designs in no time. And we'll finish off with a final project where we will be designing our very own socket wrench. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. If you join Skillshare using my link in the description box below, you'll get 2 weeks free access to the platform, and you can view this course completely free. I hope to see you there.